Yo YouTube, it's Mr. B from Pint of Stuff here, and I am coming right back at you with yet another sneaker unboxing. Yes, I am. We have got a purple box. SJ, you know what to do. Let's go over here. Over here. Oh my word, you don't know what's happening. We're having all kinds of problems just moving the cameras around at the moment because we do record these live, everyone, and that means that if SJ doesn't press the button then we get the wrong one. I'm like, over here, over here. But anyway, we have got a Nike SB Dunk Low Pro. The color is Flax Baroque Brown, and the UK size is 10.5. That makes them a US 11.5. 11.5. Women's 13 in the US. They are BQ6817204. SJ, back to the middle. Okay, so we got that bit over. If you're new around here and you don't know what we do tend to do these sneaker unboxings. We do tend to stream every Sunday night where we talk about sneakers. Sneaker streaming Sundays. That's at 8 p.m. UK time. 12 p.m. on the West Coast, 3 p.m. on the East Coast. I should know that. I say that every time. But yeah, I forget. So yeah, we do these sneaker unboxings. We do. And we do them pretty regularly. We do tend to focus on SBs, and we do have Russell, this 3 sort of camera setup, and hopefully you get to see all of the details. Occasionally we do these sneaker, these cinematic on foot things, but right now we are doing a sneaker unboxing for what I'm calling the Wheat from 2020 Dunk Low Pro. Lots of people are calling the Flax, but have a look at that. Is that not rather special? Oh my word, the suede on them looks really good under this light. SJ, let's go over to this camera. Can you get that? Yay! I don't know why I went yay then. I really don't. What you lot don't know is, right, so the camera is about maybe 5 foot high, and I'm sat down quite low, and it means that I have to hold these up. And if I do a couple of recordings, it feels like I've been to the gym. But have a look at that. Is that not a really nice dunk? It's your standard low pro profile, but it's really good. All right, I'm going to come right in so you can see on the toe box. Right, have a look at that. It's tough suede, but somehow SB managed to make tough suede be nice suede. Oh my god, my arm is really hurting. It's tense. I'm like tensed up like a ridiculous tense thing. So have a look, right? You can see the quality of the suede there. Now if SJ just spins it round to, and SJ's got it now, you can see that you've got that sort of gum sole, but the midsole is this Baroque brown. And you can see that very clearly. But what that means is actually it sort of makes them, I don't know, it flows naturally between the upper of the shoe and then the sole. And in fact, having that just that slightly different brown colorway, that Baroque, it gives it some separation as well. Now I know lots of people are just going to say they are just a standard dunk, but this is one of those classic colorways that if you don't have it in your collection, you should probably try and hunt it down. It is a standard. Everyone should have these. Now I've got a wheat pair from 2017, 2018. SJ's like, now her arm's aching. And they are slightly lighter than these, and the suede is slightly different. Now, if we go back to the center camera, SJ, I want to do the standard SJ test. Now, if you're new around here and you're not sure what's the standard SJ test, it tends to be, if I'm honest, it tends to be that she's got this thing about the E on the heel. And somehow Nike is unable to stitch E's. And I'm going to come right in close there. It's a bit dark, I know, everyone. What do you think, SJ? She's giving it a 4. A 4 out of 10. Maybe a 5.
The whole thing looks a bit off centre.
The whole, I think that's I think that's the paper. But let's have a look at the alternate laces, everyone. A proper dark brown. In fact, actually, why don't we go over this other camera? There you go, everyone. So look, proper dark brown laces, but you can see there actually under these lights, you start to see, I think, how the suede is. And it's, now these are bright lights, so where, you know, you can see where it's nearly overexposing in certain areas where the light is flashing down and bouncing out. But hopefully that's given you a really good sense. Now also, let's have a look at the tongue. Because a tongue, this is a good puffy tongue. Like you got that there, yeah? Whoa. It's like a thing. It is like a thing. Of course it's a thing. It's a shoe. But like da 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 da. Now I'm going to just switch out. I'm going to switch out, everyone. What? Oh, just check I haven't stopped the audio. I'm going to switch out and I'm going to come back to this one because I'm going to try and take it from there. I'm going to try and spin it round for you so you can really see that detail and you can see the materials. Now, because of this suede and the way it is and the way they push the paper in, we've got a slight indentation here. So not perfect by any means, but I think that's the materials and the paper. And we keep spinning and we keep spinning it round and you can see that. And of course, everyone, if you haven't subscribed by now, don't forget to do it. It is just below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to hit the notification bell, it will notify you when we go live. And when we put these videos live, we do tend to do like like a premiere. So when they go live, I will be there with SJ in the chat to kind of answer your questions or whatever. So if you manage to pick these up, have you got some of the original wheats? Have you got some of the Reese Forbes from way back in the day? Let us know, because I'm kind of jealous if you have. And it's a good standard shoe. That is a great shoe to skate. It is a great shoe to skate. It looks good on foot. It feels great in hand. Oh, yes. So, SJ, let's go back to the middle. Oh, my word, folks. So what do you think? Look at that. Look at that. I'm nearly the same colour these days. I'm not really, am I? It's the Huxley Dunk, SJ's saying. It's the Huxley Dunk. You know what, though? They don't all smell weird. They've got a little bit of Jordan 1 smell to them. And if you buy Jordan 1s, you know what I mean by that smell. So everyone, I think that's it for us. But don't forget to go and watch one of those videos over there. I'm sure one of them will suit your needs. They will suit your needs, people. I promise you. No, there'll be a good one there. What I'm going to try and do is put one of our other wheat shoes up there if we've got it. And then you can see also what the algorithm recommends. So I'm going to go right back into the center one more time. And then we're out of here. I'm not really. Don't forget to go and watch those videos. And don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you on Sunday. See you later, people.